Well, hello there, YouTube. Oh, got some rain coming again. We've been getting a good amount of rain this year. It's already June, what is it, June 12th or 14th? It's Sunday, but I've only had to water once. We've been getting so much rain, I've had to mow twice in a week. So it's kind of nice though. Close my hood. Today's actually kind of nice. It's humid. It's been so humid. I go out and work in the back, and I got like an electric mower. I have to mow around all the trees, mow around some of the trees, and I have to wear this wet blue thing around my neck, and my head sweats so much that I'm having to wipe my face in that thing all the time when I'm got the mower, or little mower pushing around trees, and the weed eater and the blower, and it's just like, wow, I'm soaking wet. I'm always soaking wet. I'm okay when I'm on the zero turn. Except when I'm in the sun. I got so many trees, I only have a couple places that's in the sun. The very front and the very back. And then all the rest of the front is all shade, and all the rest of the back is all shade. I got a gazillion trees. Pulled right in front of me. Did you see that? Didn't even stop. So they're building a new stadium up here, like I think it's like 30 million or more. The high school up here, so it's going to be nice. It will be. It's supposed to be finished in the fall. I'll drive back there and take a look. Oh, it's kind of nice out. It's just humid, but it's only like 81 right now. My wife and I went for a walk, and it's still hot. I mean, after about a mile, I turned around and come back because I was sweating like crazy. Humidity's been really bad because we've had so much rain. High school up here. I'll pull in there and see what it looks like. I'll turn it on a little bit. Bye. Okay, here's the high school up here. Pull in there, and they're doing a lot of work on the stadium. There's a whole bunch of people here today. I don't know why. They got a brand new baseball and softball field. I don't really shoot here anymore because there's a guy that does it for free and puts it on Facebook where they can download everything. So I don't really waste a lot of time coming here anymore. It's not very good, but it's free, so better than paying for it. Oh, that's going to be nice. Construction job site regulators. So they got the field there already. The field's been a practice field. Yeah, they're going to build a nice big stadium here. I should go on the other side too. I don't think you can get to the other side though. Yeah, good. They still have LED lights on the practice field. Get to the backside. Ooh, wonder what they're doing down here too. Huh. There's the field. Wow, what are they doing all the way back here too? because the end of the field's there. I wonder what they're doing. I wonder if they're building another. I wonder if this is where the stadium's going to be. Not. Well, it's got to be the practice field. They're not building another field. Maybe they are. Bah. Here's the old itty bitty football field. Hopefully we won't be using that again.